Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is July 27, 2011. Let's get right into the charts. Still a lot to cover today. We are seeing the futures drip down a little bit, down $3.50 at the moment to right around 1322.50. So maybe even $3.75 now on the decline here. But futures are starting the day lower. Not sharply lower. We'll see if they can recover. But we are nonetheless trading lower today. The U.S. dollar index, if the market is selling off, the U.S. dollar index is getting a bid, and you can see the U.S. dollar index trading higher. The U.S. dollar index over the past 10 days has been absolutely crushed, though. We did come down and take out this pivot low right here from, I believe, June 7th. So we did take out that low. The dollar really has been annihilated, and the market has pulled back slightly. Hasn't been a big pullback, but all of this debt ceiling talk and back and forth and the European problems, believe it or not, in my opinion, the markets have held up pretty well. It hasn't been the Armageddon that has been talked about by the president, nor by Armageddon by Tim Geithner. So we'll see how the market does here, and we'll see how it all plays out over the coming days until this debt ceiling talk is resolved. But right now you are getting the futures under pressure, now trading down about 5 points as June durable good orders are released down 2.1%. And we'll see where it goes from there. But again, you have to watch for everything that's going on in Europe. You also have to watch all this debt ceiling talk. You see how the markets yesterday took about, it looked like yesterday we had about 3 runs at the market highs. And they were not able to hold. And every time it's been a rumor on the debt ceiling being raised. So you could see futures want to run as soon as there's news that the debt ceiling is going to be increased, and the market's trying to take off to the upside. But we have to watch this market real closely over the next few days as a lot of rumors and things like that are coming out, and it's just a real good short-term trading environment for the most part. Okay, let's talk about oil today. Let's look at the USO. You'll see USO is trading down, closed at 38.81. Today it's trading at 38.44. Today we have oil trading down nearly a point, but we did get over that $100 marker yesterday. $100 oil is still a real crimp in this economy, and the reason why is because gasoline becomes more expensive as well. Here's a daily chart of gasoline. Here's the May top. Once the dollar strengthened, gasoline really sold off. Now the dollar's been weak, and look at gasoline putting in a sideways base to make an attempt back at that May top. So again, gasoline is really going to cause some pressure on this economy either way. Okay, so we always got to watch for that, and that's just all the effect of a weak dollar. So even though the powers that be believe a weak dollar is good because it inflates the stock market, it causes inflation everywhere, and it really isn't good. Because you have high gasoline prices, you have high food prices, you have high energy prices overall, and everything inflates, high commodity prices. So I don't know how that gets viewed as being a positive, but I guess there's a reason why they want to inflate this economy. Here, let's take a look at the GLD. You'll see gold today. Let me go right to my gold chart here. Here's GLD. You'll see that closed at 157.77. Gold is trading up about 5 or 6 points on the day, and you see the GLD trading above 158 today. So again, this is more debt ceiling, more news out of Europe. Italy is really under pressure today, and sure enough, when you get that kind of stuff happening, I believe Cyprus has been downgraded. Cyprus is really just a derivative of Greece, so I don't see how that wasn't downgraded before. But in any case, gold is trading higher, and that's almost like a safe haven currency at the moment. Compared to everything else. See the same thing for silver this morning. Yesterday, silver, the SLV closed at 39.89. Had a nice rally yesterday, and today it's trading up above the $40 level at the moment. So, a couple of things to look at there as far as commodities go. And right now, gold, silver are trading higher. Oil is trading down. So a little mixed bag of tricks. Now, the Shanghai index was positive last night, so traders can watch the FXI today. This here may show some early strength, so watch the FXI. That could be a runner if the market does recover. Okay. We also have stocks in the news. Amazon reported earnings. They were blowout numbers. The market's reacting well to the numbers. I think Amazon has a lot of resistance up here. I'm not saying it's a stone cold short. Amazon did break out of a daily chart base. You see, you had a little 2 week base there. So, but it's right at resistance now. Okay, so when you get all the way up to this 228 level, 229, 230 maybe, there's a lot of resistance up there. Okay, yesterday we talked about Netflix having a lot of support right down here at this 254 level, and sure enough, Netflix finished all the way up at 266. So again, you want to watch these stocks where they're going to find good support, where they're going to find good resistance. Aggressive traders, especially experienced ones, can take advantage of it. Another stock that is getting hit today is Juniper. Okay, so it looks like all the networking stocks. It's not just Cisco these days; it's all the networking stocks. But Juniper is getting hit pretty hard. Yesterday, that stock closed at 31.17 a share. Today, it's trading at $25. Juniper will weigh on other stocks, other networking stocks, so you have to watch for that. Cisco in particular, let's just take a look at that chart pre-market. That stock is trading down as well. So all of the networking names, it didn't really matter which one it was. Cisco, F5, Juniper, Riverbed, all of these networking names have been hit pretty hard this earnings season so far. And that is not really necessarily a good sign. But in any case, we'll see where it is. Looking at the Juniper stock, let me see if I can find a level here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything great right now. You're trading down at 25. This could go lower. I would not be surprised if Juniper does not go lower. It can go lower. So again, be careful there with Juniper. It looks like a real gap lower on Juniper. Let's take a look at Las Vegas Sands. This stock reported earnings, all based off of Macau. I've been talking about that forever, that the casino stocks would have good earnings based on Macau. And sure enough, this stock has a pretty good pop today. Yesterday closed at 46.30 a share. Today it's trading at 48.60 a share. So very, very good move there. That could lift MGM a little bit. So watch MGM. It's trading up. Yep, MGM is trading at 16.05. Yesterday it closed at 15.87. And you got to watch Wynn Resorts, obviously. Those are the big three, in my opinion. And Wynn Resorts is catching a nice little bid. Yesterday closed at 164.13. Today trading at 165.49. So decent move there across the board for all the casino names. And really, the strength is coming out of China, as Macau is really thriving over there. Not really so much Las Vegas. It really is Macau, and that's what you got to watch for. So those are the stocks in the news. Again, you have some economic data coming out this morning. Real quick, you're going to have at we just had durable good orders. 10:30, you're going to have crude inventory. And then at 2 o'clock, there's a big one. You're going to have the Fed's beige book. Okay, so that could be a market mover at 2 p.m. this afternoon, Fed beige book. With that said, everybody, I'm going to leave it there. And have a great trading day, those of you that belong to the chat room. I'll see you all on the mic at 9:30 in the morning. Have a great morning. Have a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow.